Hello, welcome again to this amazing platform. Today I would like us to discuss on the making a journal for the assessment that is grade 8 science part, integrated science part. So after carrying out the activities of the project, the learners are supposed to come up with an assessment journal where they will be recording the procedures and any activity that they did on the project. So here I want to take you through the format of the assessment journal, and this comes after a request from one of the members of Branch Academy. So I saw it's good to chip in and help us. So when you are making an assessment a journal, this is what you are supposed to do. First, you are going to have a cover page. As you can see I have displayed there, and on the cover page you are going to include the following part. The title of the task. So you will write the title of the task. You are going to indicate the learner's name, which grade, school name, a subject that is integrated science, then the date. So those are some of the contents that you are going to include on your cover page, the outer page. Then from there, you are going to have the table of contents, and here we are going to have a list, all section with page numbers. So this is going to give us a guideline of what we are going to get in your personal or assessment journal. So example, on this table of content we can have page 1 having introduction, page 2 objective, page 3 material and tools, page 4 procedures or steps, page 5 you can have photos that you are taking or the drawings during the task, and then page 6 you will be talking about observations, what you observed during the project. Then part 7 or page 7, on that page you will be talking about challenges faced during the project. Then page 8 you will be coming up with a solution to the challenges you faced. Then on page 9 there we have conclusion. So I want us to break these sections into various components so that the learners will know under introduction what they'll be doing, and objective what they are supposed to do. So let's go to the part of introduction. So the page of introduction, on the page of introduction, let the learners write a short paragraph explaining. So they have to explain what the project is about. Also, they have to explain the importance of learning particles in a solid, liquid, and gases. For example, you can have something like this on that introduction part. This journal shows the process of making models to demonstrate the arrangement of particles in solid, liquid, and gases. So that is the information that the learners will write under the introduction page in their assessment journal. After that, let them now create the objectives, and objectives is on also another page. We said it can be on page 2. Now, under that page of objective, let them write what they want to achieve. So example, they want to achieve making models of solid, liquid, and gases, or they want to understand particles arrangement in matter. So that is the objective of the project. That's the reason why they are carrying out the project. Then after that, they will go to the next page under the assessment journal. Now there they want to discuss or write about the materials and tools which they are going to use there. So there they can note down the materials and tools that they were using in the project. Here they can have cardboard, glue, bottle tops or balls, markers, clay modeling, scissors, and many more. So those material and tools, they put them under the materials and tools used on a separate page under their assessment journal. Then after that, let them move to procedures or steps followed. There, they are going to write the steps followed when making the model. For example, they can start by collecting materials, drawing the design, gluing the materials, and labeling the models. Then they can talk about presenting in front of the peers or in front of the class. Then after that, on the next page, let them talk about photos or drawings. So here they are going to include pictures of the process, a drawing of the model, labels for each state of matter under that part of the photos or drawing. Then we have the part of observation, and under observation, learners are going to explain what was observed. Example, solid particles are tightly packed, liquid particles are slightly spaced, and gas particles are far apart. Here you will find that learners will come up with different observations. So let them write what they have observed and not what you have told them. Remember, it's an examination and it's an assessment. So let them write what they have observed. It's also going to help you to know where you are going to help them when it comes to theory part of this paper. After that, we have the page of challenges first. So here, they are going to write problems experienced during the task. Example, some materials did not stick well. So that's a challenge. So they will write the challenges that they encountered during the performance of the task under the challenges first part of the assessment journal. Then let them also write the solutions. Here, they are going to explain how the challenges were solved. For example, I used stronger glue. That's a solution to that problem. Lastly, we have the part of conclusion. Here, the learner are going to write what was learned from the activity. For example, they can talk about, I learned that particles in solid are closely packed while gas particles are far apart. So let them note down what they have learned throughout the process under the last part of the conclusion. So that is a sample of a format of an assessment journal that the learner are supposed to prepare during this journey of the integrated science project. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, you share and you comment. If the video is educative, also let me know under the comment section so that we can continue growing together. There is my display of the assessment journal so that you can reflect on it. Thank you and may God bless you.